Remember those jump rope sessions during childhood? Today, we're diving into the world of jump rope, but it's not just child's play anymore. Discover the magic of dedicating just 10 minutes to jump rope daily. Number 1. Cardio powerhouse. Jump rope is an incredibly efficient cardiovascular exercise. Just 10 minutes can be equivalent to a 30-minute jog, boosting your heart health, stamina, and endurance. Your heart will thank you with every skip. Number 2. Burn those calories. Looking for a full-body calorie torture? Jumping rope can burn over 100 calories in 10 minutes. Consistently, this could translate to weight loss, toned muscles, and a fitter physique. Number 3. Full-body workout. It's not just a leg thing. From your legs to your core to your arms, the entire body gets a workout. Calves, quads, hamstrings, core, and even the small muscles in your hands and wrists are engaged. Talk about all-round fitness. Number 4. Improve agility and coordination. If you've ever watched boxers train, you'll know how essential jump rope is for agility and footwork. Committing to it daily sharpens coordination, balance, and dexterity. Over time, you'll find your steps getting lighter and more precise. Number 5. Strengthen your bones. Jump rope is a weight-bearing exercise, which means it can improve bone density, reducing the risk of conditions like osteoporosis. Every hop strengthens your skeletal system. Number 6. Boost mental sharpness. The rhythmic and coordinated nature of jump rope means both your body and brain need to work together. This enhances spatial awareness, mental alertness, and improves memory and cognitive function. Number 7. Portable and affordable. No gym, no problem. A jump rope is one of the most portable and affordable exercise tools available. Whether you're traveling or in a small apartment, your fitness routine can always be at your fingertips. Number 8. Break workout. Monotony. Mixing up routines is essential to prevent boredom, and jump rope offers myriad styles, from double unders to crisscrosses. It's a fun way to keep the daily grind exciting. Thinking of going back to this childhood favorite? Jump into this rope challenge and bounce back to us with your progress after a month. If this video made your heart skip a beat, hit that like button, share it with your pals, and subscribe for more fitness insights. We're eager to hear about your jump rope journey, so leave a comment below.